The lawn of yesteryear. Here we have Ireland mowing her lawn, a chore that takes hours out of her life. Let's check in on Ireland and see how she's enjoying her afternoon.
Whew. I hate mowing the lawn. This is hard work. I wish there were a better way to do this.
We'll check back with Ireland in a second, but here we find another person working to make their lawn and yard beautiful. Let's check in on him. Declan, how are you doing?
This is tough. I really wish I didn't have to pull all of these weeds.
Sorry, Declan, that job is hard. Let's bring both kids back and give them some good news.
Did you know that there is a better way to keep your lawn looking nice?
Really? How?
Well, let me show you.
Wow! Holy cow!
Look over there, kids. See that, Ireland? No more manual mowing. Better yet, that mower is powerful and affordable. Once mowers cost at least $600 each. Well, that price has been reduced to around as little as $300. Better yet, you can program that mower to mow anytime you want it to, rain or shine, night or day.
Really?
Yep, not only that, but no more having to buy gasoline or spewing harmful chemicals into the air because that lawnmower is battery powered. It even remembers to charge itself. No more having to worry about those oil changes.
What about me?
I'm glad you asked, Declan. Take a look at this. There are trees, plants, and even weeds growing in that yard.
Really? Why?
Well, did you know that natural landscaping makes your yard a better ecosystem? Not only would this yard provide enough oxygen for your whole family, it can be just as beautiful as a regular lawn. There's less maintenance, and it's better for the entire ecosystem. Rather than one type of plant like your traditional lawn, you can see a variety. Did you also know that those plants can help the soil and soak up more water than your regular lawn? Up to 3,000% more. This is what the ideal 2050 residential lawn would look like, but what about an urban setting? Well, take a look at this. This botanical park utilizes native landscaping. There are opportunities for lawns for the community to enjoy while incorporating natural foliage. Lawns would be maintained by autonomous lawnmowers, while laborers would maintain the more curated spaces. Charging stations for the autonomous machines can be disguised as part of the very landscapes they maintain. Good evening. This is Rowan Massey reporting for the Home News Network. COVID-50 has spread across the nation. President Vivian Josephine's stay-at-home order remains in effect for the next 4 weeks. Though COVID-50 remains a major health risk, many are inquiring as to our park's maintenance. People want to know if these beautiful vistas will be usable after months of no maintenance and neglect. We are here with Christopher Massey from the Parks and Recreation Department for more information. Mr. Massey, right now parks are closed due to the stay-at-home order issued by the President. People want to know, will the parks be open once the stay-at-home order is lifted? Thank you for asking, Rowan. Yes, the parks will be open once the stay-at-home order is lifted. Well, that's great news, but how are you able to ensure that the parks will be open and ready for visitors when no one is able to go out right now? Well, over the last 10 to 20 years, strides have been made in autonomous mowing technology. The Parks and Recreation team are able to remotely handle much of the lawn maintenance that is needed for the parks. This includes mowing, as well as the small debris disposal. Well, that takes care of the lawns, but what about the flower beds? How are these being cared for? Well, that's the thing, Rowan. We do minimal maintenance in this regard. Those flower beds that we do have are not as curated as they might seem. Much of our landscaping is actually specifically native to this area. This allows for reduced maintenance. However, from time to time, teams are dispatched to clear away debris and ensure plants are healthy. Now, for bigger issues, down trees, limbs, we do send out teams to take care of that stuff. Well, there you have it, folks. The parks will be open. COVID-50 won't close our parks. Technology and ecology working together to keep our city and homes looking great. This is Rowan Massey signing off for HNN, your Home News Network.